Hi peeps and welcome back to Jersey Wife channel. I'm Fontana. Well, I did the review on the Walmart box and I got my Target box almost the same time. Anyway, now remember I told you the Target boxes you have to, for some reason, you have to do it the first of every month to get it or they're totally sold out. But this one was the worst because I think I was getting some questions like where I'm going on site, it's not there. I got mine on the 9th. Like I had to order it, I think, on the 9th or the 6th of the month, which is really weird because it usually is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd. It took almost 2 weeks for me to even order the box. Okay, so here's the beauty box. Kind of big and it's heavy. So I'm gonna see what's in it. I'm very excited. All I did was take the plastic off. This is $7, gonna list it below. Don't worry, you'll know. Okay, all right, let's see. Because the Walmart box, please. So $3 off of any $15 beauty. Can't beat that, right? $3. I got $3 right off the frickin' bat. Okay. On anything. Not on Rembrandt like they did in the other box. Let me open this up. I might have to put my glasses on for some of this, so. Cynthia Bailey. Remember, readers. Okay, so I got a full-size NIVEA Silk Mousse Body Wash. Cream moisturizer. Size of my head. Look how nice it is. Now this stuff I did hear that is very good. It's a cream moisturizer. You use it in the shower. Very excited about using that. If I can, my daughters don't steal it. What else do you get? Acure brilliantly brightening scrub, facial scrub. I love facial scrubs. Do them in the shower, put little things like this in there and scrub your face, then do all your other stuff when you get out. It really is good to get all the stuff out of your face and stuff. You know, I like it. And it's cute. I don't know anything about this brand, so I'll give it a shot. It's probably sealed, so you can't smell it. Yeah, it's sealed. So much for that. Okay, what else did I get? But excited. This is a Repair and Protect Instant Recovery Mask. Is it for your hair or your face? Because it has biotin in it, so that means it's for your hair. If you're not taking biotin, you should. I do. You know, I think biotin is really good for hair, nails, whatever, skin. But anyway, this is the protector for your hair. It has biotin. It's a mask. Really cute, right? Can't beat that. And it has at least, I'm guessing like 2 treatments maybe in here because it's kind of a big pack and it's full, just so you know. Oh boy, must be whitening day. We got the whitening strips, vibrant whitening strips. I think this is their brand, their Target brand. Yeah, it's their brand. So I'm interested in seeing if it's any better than the Crest. I'll try it. How many strips do we get in here? 6. So you get 3 treatments. 1 upper, 1 lower. I've been known to use the lower on the upper because sometimes I don't want it on the lower. Because, you know, these strips have gotten so much better from the beginning because they used to, like, really make your teeth super sensitive. They're not like that anymore. They're much, much, much better. Anyway, so that's good. This is all in one box, people. Now this stuff, the SheaMoisture, is bamboo charcoal body scrub. All their products are really good. They have shampoos and stuff. This is sealed, can't smell, but the charcoal is supposed to be really good. Could you imagine the way we're like obsessed with charcoal crap now? But you know, my daughters use it. My friends use charcoal stuff, but I think I had 1 or 2 products that had charcoal, but I'll try this. It's a body scrub. Got that. And it's enough for like 2 or 3 scrubs at least. It's not a bad size. Oh boy, what's this thing? Oh, from Husk. It's a coconut dry shampoo. Now my kids do not like the dry shampoo. I don't understand why. It does get rid of the oil on your, and this is a really good one. And this is gonna last. This is a good travel one. Perfect for travel, I would say. The coconut dry shampoo. And I have one more thing I think that's laying in here. What is this thing? Oh, this is a night relaxing jelly eye sheet mask. Who doesn't like that? By Clean and Clear. Okay, you get 1 mask, you peel it, you put it over your eyes. It's really cool. Definitely worth trying. So, in the Target box, which if you can get it, I don't know. It's been a whirlwind to try to get it. But anyway, you get a mask, you get a scrub. You get dry shampoo. Look at the sizes of this stuff. You get a hair repair for at least twice, two sessions for that. you get a full-size Mousse body wash. And it's made by NIVEA. You know it's good. It's made by NIVEA. I don't think we have to talk about that. We have a scrub by Acure, a facial scrub. Can't beat that, right? Got a scrub. And you got 3 sessions for 3 uses of the strips for your teeth, whiteners. Okay? This is $7. You already got your money back with the full-size NIVEA cream thing. I can tell you that right now because that's expensive. And the strips and all of that. So, I'm going to list everything below, tell you what was in the box. I have no idea why it took me 2 weeks in July to get this box, but it's worth it. $7. Go out and get it. Totally recommend it. Not recommending the Walmart box. It stunk the first time. It stinks the second time. Stink, stink, stink. Go out, get the Target box. This is Fontana. You've been watching the Jersey Wife channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, you're never gonna change me. You're never gonna change me. I won't compromise, no.